Round 14 of the HostPlus Cup, Wynnum Manly up against the Hunters. These highlights thanks to Super Cheap Auto. Gitron Larker first to score in this game in the 11th minute when he crossed for the Hunters. Dredden Sorensen scored the first try for Wynnum Manly in the 18th minute.
3 metres early. 3! 1, 6 more involved. Try.
Another first half try for the Hunters. Kevin Appo scoring in the 28th minute.
I'm okay, you got halfway backwards, you pass it backwards.
The Hunters' third try of the game came in the 34th minute when Junior Ropp scored. At the break, the Hunters were in front, 18 points to 4. An early second half try for the Hunters through Ila Alu. Solo Wane scored for the Hunters in the 46th minute.
16.
Harrison Graham crossed for Wynnum Manly in the 54th minute.
3. Down. Try.
Falakiko Manu scored for Wynnum 3 minutes later.
Go 4. Down.
Graham was in again in the 62nd minute, his second try of the contest.
No grounding around here. I never touch the ground. I'm happy, mate.
Solo Wane sealed the victory for the Hunters when he crossed for his second try in the 76th minute.
Go 4. That's right, 2. Knock on. 0 coming. Keep going. I got vision. Ball's out.
A great win for PNG over the Seagulls, 36 points to 22. Peter Basoldis, Queensland Rugby League.